Hello friends, how to create a WhatsApp business account? Let's see how to do it. First of all, open your Play Store or App Store. Then search WhatsApp business. Then install your app. I already have installed this app. Then open your app. Tap on agree and continue. And use number. Tap on continue. Allow WhatsApp business to access your contact. Allow WhatsApp business to access music and audio on this device. And tap on allow all. And enter your OTP. After verifying your OTP, then tap on two-step verification. Then transfer in process and type here business name. Then tap on next. Select your business category. Add your business hour. And select hour. Then tap on next. Add a profile photo. Address or region. Then type a website and you can skip. Add a business description. Then tap on next. Scroll down. Tap on done. And enter your two-step verification PIN. That's it. By doing this process, you can successfully create a WhatsApp business account. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.